Hey everybody, how's it going? Third video today. What a treat. I think it's third anyways. Yeah, it is the third. So, I've got it. I was gonna make a part 3 and ramble some more as I was walking, but the battery on the phone was almost dead, so couldn't do it. I wanted to keep it alive at least a little bit just in case something happened, God forbid, after picking the truck up. Which, luckily, so far, nothing has. So, here it is. I'm working on cleaning it up right now. Yes, with a pressure washer. And I know I said not to do that, but there's so much of this just nasty grossness on it that is sticking along with pine pitch that I had to do it with a pressure washer. There's just no other choice. These front fenders, they do not have clear coat on them. And with the pressure washer, I don't know if I'm using my phone. This is horrible camera to use. I ripped some of the paint off, and that paint that's showing from underneath, that is the white primer and paint that I had used. Actually, no, I didn't use primer. I used just white paint. And oh boy, this is not looking good either. I hate using my phone as a camera. But yeah, the plan is now touch the paint up on the fenders, put the badges on, and then after the badges are on, I want to get them all clear coated and get that all taken care of. It's cleaning up really nice. This side is not really in the best shape anyways, paint-wise, but this is like night and day compared to what it was. And I still need to get a step ladder, do the top, and then I'll have to do the sides again. But this is mostly just to break the really big, gross stuff loose. Ugh, gross. This was dirty when I got it, and I never got a chance to clean it because I only had it on for 4 or 5 days before said accident. I've got to throw that out. And then one of these cushion things, I got to put it back around the battery. I don't remember which one goes to this truck. I think that, oh yeah, there's a little bit of water in here from pressure washing. I still have to clean inside of here somehow, which is probably going to be on a Saturday. Come in and take the cap off, pressure wash it on the inside, put it back on, and when I put it back on, use some proper clamps instead of these things here. Although I will say I'm impressed with how these have held up. Because I put maybe, I don't know, at most 600 miles on this since getting the cap on, and those have held it really tight. But I gotta clean this out, and then I'm gonna go with silicone inside and out all over the window seals. In the front there, I've closed that window, that sliding window, several times, and it keeps working its way back open. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some paint sticks and jam them in the track on each side so that stops happening, because that lets water in along with the leaking sides. But actually, there may not even be water coming in. Oh no, that's definitely moist. That could be from all the humidity. I don't know. But yeah, I'll figure out where the water's coming in and take care of that. For New Hampshire State inspection, if you have a third brake light on your cap, it has to be wired in. Well, they screwed it up at the garage, so this light comes on when the headlights are on, and we can't be having that. So I cut the wire for now, and my mechanic said to just bring it in one of these days, and he'll take care of it. But it's like, geez, I was pissed because I noticed every time I stepped on the brake, my radio lights were going out. It's like, oh, that's weird. And I thought, well, it's been sitting for quite a while, so maybe that's because it just hasn't been driven, and it'll either go away or whatever. It doesn't matter because I'm going to replace that radio with another unit that I found on eBay that I haven't ordered yet. Because this one, it works, but it doesn't... It's not perfect. Sometimes CDs get stuck in it, and the one in the silver truck, the CDs do get stuck in it. There is a CD stuck in it, and I have to pull it out of the dash and rip it apart to get the CD out. So I figure I'll throw this crappy one in there, and I'll get a rebuilt one. Yep, so it's coming together just in time for winter, but hey, better late than never. I'll use it next year. Go on a trip. I wanted to go to Florida, go down south, but that's not going to happen this year. Between this, how much money this has cost me, how much money the other truck has cost me, I can't afford to do it. Plus, I'm looking to change jobs very soon. And with that, I won't have any vacation time on the books, so what I'm hoping is when I sell my car and when I cash out my vacation time that I have from my job, that'll help me catch up financially somewhat, but I'm not going to go in between the jobs down to Florida and back, because really that just doesn't make sense to be jumping on that. Well, I feel a nasty bathroom trip coming on, so I'm gonna leave on this note that the cleaning up's coming along, coming together. I've got my little truck finally. It feels so good to drive it. You have no idea. After 6 months, no idea. Yeah, so anyways, thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you have them, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.